rides the midnight gust. Her shadow, a ribbon across rooftops. Thunder hums beneath her fingers. She paints the clouds with laughter, turns every street lamp into a firefly, every puddle into a portal. Below, the panther pats silently, muscles coiled, eyes like liquid obsidian. He senses the chaos she leaves, but not its shape, not its rhyme. Each step she takes scatters time, each breath folds a corner of the world. Loozy spins a cyclone of petals and glass, a kaleidoscope storm. Nobody survives untouched. She wins.